Hi there. In this video, we're going to be doing a review of the quickest way to open a job in FunctionPoint. The process that we'll review in this video is really meant for those cases where perhaps you don't require a budget or revenue schedule or other details, or perhaps you plan to enter that information later on. But your top priority is to get the job open ASAP. I first want to talk a little bit about the connection between estimates and jobs in FunctionPoint. Every job in FunctionPoint must have an estimate attached to it. The estimate is where we establish the scope of work. It's where we list the service items that need to be accomplished in order to complete the job. Keep in mind that the names of these modules may differ in your system depending on the terminology that your company uses. We'll start by hovering our cursor over the Estimates module. Hovering over Add Estimate, and this will show us a list of clients that we've worked on recently. If we see the client we're wanting to work with, we'll select them. If we don't, we'll just click on Add Estimate. This brings us to our Estimate Add page. Any information that we enter here will be carried into the job. The estimate name will become the job name. The estimate type will become the job type. We can select our client that we're working with. Notice the magnifying glass lets us know again it's an intelligent field. We could type in a short form to find the company we're looking for. The rest of the fields are optional, including the contact, the delivery date, the description, and so on. At this point, all we need to do is select the phases and services that we're going to be working on. And this could be as simple as one line item, perhaps called professional fees or creative services. Once you've selected the level of detail you require, click Submit, and that brings us to our Estimate Details page. Notice at the top right corner in our series of action buttons, we have a button that says Add Job. Select Add Job, and our job is now opened and is ready to be worked on. It also does have a scope of work, even if that's as simple as one line item. Keep in mind you can always go back into the estimate if you choose to add more detail later. That concludes the process for quickly opening up a job. But I want to do another quick recap just to show you how quick and easy it can be. All we need to do is hover our cursor over the Estimates module, hover over Add Estimate, select the client we want to create a job for, enter our name, select our type, select our phase and service, click Submit, and select Add Job from the Details page. Our job is now open, and it only takes a few seconds. That concludes this video on quickly opening up a job. Again, please continue checking out more of our videos for more helpful information on using FunctionPoint.